All right, folks, welcome back. Today we're making two juices. We're making a carrot, apple, and beets juice. All of our produce, as always, is organic. And we're going to get started right away. I just got finished converting one of our ferments, green 2 ferments, and making some amazing pasta with it. Now we're going to go ahead and get our fresh juice started right now. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to slice up my beets. We're just going to run the beets as they are. I made sure I cleaned them well as to help with processing the skin. Grab me some carrots. Also slice up my 2 apples. And 1/2 at a time. Okay, there you have it, folks. We have about 1 quart of beets, carrots, and apples. Apple, beets, and carrots. ABC. This is our ABC juice that we got today. For some reason or another, I couldn't get reddish out of my mind, but it's beets. So apples, beets, and carrots. We got 1 quart of it. Now we're gonna close this out, move on to our green. Okay. As I don't have labels for these bottles yet, we'll just be putting them in plain bottles. We'll also be adding a shot of fermented carrot, ginger, and lemon apple cider vinegars. So basically, fermented carrot, ginger, and lemon apple cider vinegar shots. We're going to add 1 to each bottle that I use. However, I don't think I got enough for 3 bottles. But for whatever we use, we'll add that to it. And we'll restrain this. Relative thickness. Okay, so what we ended up with was almost 3 bottles, 3 12-ounce bottles of beets, carrots, and apples, and Honeycrisp apples, organic Honeycrisp apples. As always, that's all we use is organic anyway. So even if I don't mention it, it'll be organic. Fresh juice combined with fermented carrots, ginger, and lemon apple cider vinegar shots. Peace.